Hello. So, are you facing the module not found error, no module named LlamaIndex.schema while importing document? Well, let's fix it under 60 seconds and import document. So this error happens because LlamaIndex introduced changes in its latest versions. What used to be directly available in LlamaIndex has now moved to LlamaIndex.core. If you're using code from older tutorials, blogs, or other examples, it might reference the outdated module paths, which is one of the reasons why these errors take place. Now to fix it, let's simply copy this and paste it here. But now instead of importing from LlamaIndex, let's import this from LlamaIndex.core.schema. So it's the same import, but it's from LlamaIndex.core.schema. We are importing document. And let's run this. As you can see, we have successfully run it and there is no error this time. So that's it. Error fixed in seconds. If you're facing similar other issues, check out our channel for more quick fixes and solutions. Subscribe to stay ahead and control AI before it controls us. Thank you.